Bobcat advantage means you get exceptional results when you use our industry-leading equipment, regardless of terrain or turf conditions. I'm Jim, and I'm excited to show you what makes Bobcat cutting decks the preferred choice, whether you mow your own lawn or maintain turf professionally. Bobcat brings versatility with 3 durable deck options: the TufDeck, the TufDeck Pro, and the AirFX deck. First, let's take a look at the TufDeck. Available on the ZT3000, the TufDeck is ideal for residential mowing. Engineered for durability, this chain-hung deck is built with 10-gauge steel and comes equipped with steel-fabricated spindle assemblies. And in addition, there's a 7-gauge steel plate under the spindles to protect from unforeseen rocks and debris. And all of our decks come with bolt-on double-wave baffles, not welded, allowing you a quick fix if they happen to get damaged. Bobcat's unique bullnose design allows turf to pop up and meet the blade faster, assuring you a quality cut every time. Next up is our TufDeck Pro, with the same steel construction as the TufDeck, but with enhanced durability features for heavier workloads. Available on the ZT3000 and ZT3500, the TufDeck Pro adds heavier-duty steel-fabricated spindle assemblies, offering you improved bearings and increased machine longevity. For the ultimate in mowing performance, there's one tough, hard-working mower deck that tops them all: the AirFX Cutting System. Its innovative deep deck, bullnose design provides greater lift and enhanced vacuum, causing grass to stand straight up before meeting the cutting blade. Bobcat's patented bolt-on air gap baffles force clippings from chamber to chamber, pushing clippings through an extra-large discharge chute, leaving you with a cleaner deck and quality finish. The chain-hung AirFX deck is available in multiple widths, from 48 to 72 inches, making it ideal for professional landscapers going all day, sports field maintenance, municipalities caring for acres of turf, and the homeowner that loves caring for their own property. The AirFX deck is easy to use and easy to maintain. Our hand or foot deck lift spring assist raises and lowers the deck right from the operator's seat. If the need for maintenance arises, toolless entry to the top of the deck allows for easy cleaning and service. All of this combines to make the Bobcat AirFX deck the most efficient, most durable, highest performing deck in the industry. It doesn't matter whether you love to maintain your own yard for personal pride or you're a professional operator looking for the competitive edge. The Bobcat advantage is in our rugged, innovative deck designs. Make it your advantage. Visit bobcat.com to learn more or contact your dealer today. Bobcat, one tough animal.